What's your name? Could you tell me a little bit about yourself? The food is delicious. The cuisine here is absolutely exquisite. I'm feeling sad. I'm going through a bit of a rough patch emotionally. That's my opinion. In my humble opinion, I think that's the best approach. I'm not sure. To be honest, I'm still on the fence about that. The movie was great. The film was a real masterpiece, with outstanding cinematography. I'm going to bed. I'm off to get some rest and recharge for tomorrow. The weather is nice. The climate here is absolutely perfect this time of year. I love playing sports. I'm a huge sports enthusiast and try to stay active whenever possible. This is my friend. I'd like to introduce you to someone who's very close to me. The city is big. The metropolis is vast and has a lot to offer in terms of culture and entertainment. I don't understand. Could you elaborate on that or provide a bit more context? I need help. I'm in a bit of a bind and could really use some assistance. The music is loud. The volume of the music is almost deafening in here. I'm tired. I'm feeling a bit drained and could do with a break. The book is interesting. The novel is a real page-turner, with a gripping narrative. I'm going to travel. I'm planning an epic journey to explore new and exciting destinations. The hotel is nice. The accommodation here is top-notch, with exceptional amenities. I'm not feeling well. I'm under the weather and not quite myself at the moment. The park is beautiful. The gardens are stunning, with an incredible array of flora and fauna. I'm looking for a job. I'm currently in the market for a new career opportunity. The company is successful. The organization has experienced remarkable growth and success over the years. I'm happy to help. I'd be more than happy to lend a hand in any way I can. The restaurant is expensive. The eatery is a bit on the pricey side, but the quality is worth it. I'm going to call you. I'll be in touch soon. Perhaps we can schedule a time to talk.